Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this new series that we are going to be doing for the next month. In this series, we're going to be learning a variety of riffs and we are going to be spotlighting a wonderful organization for over 75 years and across 100 countries. World Relief has been connecting people like you and people like me to the world's greatest needs. They are doing so much good in this world and I am so thrilled to be able to share them with you today. I'm going to put a link to World Relief in the description box below, so make sure that after the video you check them out to see how you can help as well. Okay, in the last video we tackled the 4-count riff. Today we're gonna work on the 5-count riff. Let's do it. So just like with the 4-count riff building onto the 2-count, the 5-count riff builds onto the 3-count riff. So with our 3-count riff, we had 3 sounds, 1, 2, 3. Now just like the 4-count riff, we're gonna add on our additional 2 sounds with a heel, and you're gonna put your weight on it, and a toe drop, and you're gonna put your weight on it. So again, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the other side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like with the 4-count riff, we can also move the 5-count riff. So we have and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. To the side, that is, we're going to do it a little faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And to the back a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, great job on the 5-count riff, guys. Next week we're gonna learn the 6-count. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. If you are enjoying these videos or if you're learning something new, please make sure to give my videos a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. And don't forget to check out some of the other videos on my channel. Remember, by just viewing these videos, you're going to be helping me to spread love to our brothers and sisters in need around the globe. And please don't forget to check out World Relief to see if you might be able to join in on what they're doing. The link is in the description box below. All right, you guys, thanks so much and I'll see you in the next video.